Israel has been conducting almost daily raids to detain Palestinians suspected of carrying out attacks on Israelis as violence increases in the occupied West Bank. In the fresh air raids, 12 people have been killed in the Gaza Strip by the Israeli military in what the military said was the targeting of members of the Palestinian Islamic Jihad movement. The latest attacks come as tension boils between Israel and militants in Gaza, which is ruled by Hamas. At least 12 people, including civilians, lost their lives in the fresh attack, and at least 20 other civilians were injured. Explosions targeting residential apartments were heard at about 2 a.m. local time in different parts of Gaza. The Palestinian Islamic Jihad movement announced that 3 of its leaders were killed in the air attacks. The deceased were identified as Jihad al-Ghannam, Khalil al-Bahatini, and Tariq Izz-al-Din. The 3 were killed along with their wives and several children, the group said in a statement which did not give details on their wives or how many children were killed and their ages. The military said it targeted 10 weapon and infrastructure manufacturing sites, including rocket production workshops and a site for making concrete used for tunnels, as well as military compounds belonging to the group. Videos showed billowing smoke and flames that lit up the night sky as trucks of firefighters sped to a building that had been hit. Witnesses said that an explosion hit the top floor of an apartment building in Gaza City and a house in the southern city of Rafah. The Israeli army said that the air attacks, codenamed Operation Shield and Arrow, targeted 3 Palestinian Islamic Jihad members who it claimed were responsible for recent rockets fired towards Israel. Last week, Israeli missiles pounded the densely populated Gaza Strip following rockets fired towards Israeli territory in the aftermath of the death in an Israeli prison of well-known Palestinian hunger striker Khader Adnan. Israel captured Gaza and the West Bank, areas where Palestinians aim to establish an independent state with East Jerusalem as its capital in a 1967 war.